Hey, what's up YouTube? Houston here. Look, if you're in check systems or early warning system and you still need a checking account, okay, and also if you're trying to get maybe a short-term loan, then the place you may want to take a look at is MoneyLion. All right, now let me explain something before you jump the gun, and let me help you understand how this works. All right, MoneyLion, they will allow you to open up a free checking account. Okay, now they offer cash advance loans. They state that they can offer you a cash advance loan with no interest. I guess in terms of no interest, it means if you're able to pay it back in a shorter amount of time. If it goes over a certain period, maybe 14 days, then they start charging interest. All right. That being said, you have to have deposits with them. You have to have a checking account. If you don't have a checking account with them, and you want the loan, and their loan amounts, let me go back, because their loan amounts go from $25 up to not their loan amounts, their cash advance, because they actually do offer a loan, and I'll talk about that in a minute. For the cash advance, it's from $25 up to $250, okay? And it's same day, all right, if you have a checking account with them. Now, if you don't have a checking account with them and you still need the money the same day, they charge $3.99, all right? Now, if you don't want to pay the $3.99, it can take up to 5 days for you to actually get that cash advance, all right? Now, that being said, would I use MoneyLion if I'm in a financial bind and I can't get a regular bank account? Absolutely. Yes, I would do it. And here's the reason why. Because they also offer loans as well. Okay, they offer a credit builder loan. So if you're an individual that has bad credit and you're trying to build up your credit, they offer credit builder loans up to $1,000. So how that works is that, again, you have to be a member in order to get their credit builder loan. Okay, their membership for the platinum is $19.99, but they loan up to $1,000. And with the credit builder loan, they may not give you the full amount. All right, so they may give you they may give you half and half. They'll approve you for a $1,000 loan, but they may tell you, hey, we're going to deposit half of it into your regular checking account, or put it on a debit card for you, and the other half they may put it into like a secured account or whatever, right? But the whole $1,000 is yours. Sometimes they'll just give you the whole $1,000 to use. All right, it's just in terms of how they look at your financial situation. Now, again, one of the things that I continue to tell you guys, when lending institutions tell you that they don't do a hard pull, you have to keep in mind, because they don't do a hard pull, meaning that they don't pull from the regular credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They may use third-party companies. Okay, now with MoneyLion, they state that they don't use any credit check at all. All right, they actually go off your deposits. So I guess they're using other data metrics in order to help you qualify. So if that's the case, that's good. But for lenders that do tell you, hey, we don't do credit check, sometimes they may look at your clarity. Your clarity is owned by Experian. Your Data X is owned by Equifax, and your Factor Trust is owned by TransUnion, or they may look at LexisNexis. Again, like I said, MoneyLion said that they don't look at that because we're trying to work with people that's just trying to start over. So if you just recently had a bankruptcy, or you may be disabled, and you can't get a checking account, this may be an opportunity to help you. One of the things that I would tell you is definitely I would take advantage of the credit builder. Okay, as a matter of fact, depending on the amount, just say that they gave you $1,000 and your rent is $750. Having that checking account and having your rent coming out of that checking account, then you're able to start having that as a trade line on your credit report. So you're trying to rebuild your credit. Now there's other lenders say that you're actually looking for higher dollar loans and stuff like that, or credit cards. If you have bad credit, then you have a OppFi that loans you from $1,000, and then after 6 months it goes up to $2,000 if you have good on-time payments. That's with no credit check. They have a credit card as well as loans. Loans go from $300 up to $6,000 for first-time borrowers, and then from second-time borrowers, you can borrow from $6,000 up to $10,000 with Opportune. You have other lenders that don't look at your credit as well. You have Uprova. Uprova, they offer up to $5,000. They're a tribal lender. Then you have IndyLand. IndyLand is a travel lender as well, okay? But if you having a hard time with getting a checking account, you're having a hard time with getting a loan, then MoneyLion may be a great option for you, okay? It definitely may be a great option for you. I was trying to think of some other lenders that you can go to help build up. You have Credit AI. You also may want to take a look at Credit AI. Again, long as you having deposits, if you're able to show deposits into your checking account, then they're able to give you a credit card with a trade line up to $1,500. You also have extra the debit card app on your phone. The extra debit card app, now they report to Experian and Equifax, but they use your debit card information to actually report it as a trade line on your credit. So helping you rebuild your credit, especially when you have low credit score. If you are on a fixed income and you're trying to get credit and stuff like that, then that's definitely a backdoor way to help you. Now, again, remember these are low limit type of loans and stuff like that. So you may low limit type of loans or whatever, but give it about 6 months. You know, if you're borrowing the money and paying it back and stuff, that would boost up your credit score to where you can start borrowing more money. All right. So if you have any other questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, click the link in the description. Thank you.